Hello students, welcome. Dear students, in our HCF and LCM chapter, today we are going to learn the last practice set, that is practice set number 14. Okay, so in practice set number 14, the first question I will read. Choose the right options. Here are two examples are given and options are given. The first one is the HCF of 120 and 150 each. Okay, options are given 30, second option 45, third option 20, and fourth one is 120. So students, here if this is the objective types of question, but still what you have to do, you have to solve. Okay, so find out the HCF of 120 and 150. Okay, you have to solve the example and then fill in the blanks. Same to the second question also. Second question is the HCF of this pair of number is not 1. So here 4 pairs are given. Out of that 4, the one pair is there, their HCF is not 1, is different from the 1. Okay, so you have to find out. So here students, here also you have to find out the HCF of all the 4 pairs. Okay, you have to find out the HCF of all the 4 pairs and then we have to choose the correct option. Okay, but find out, solve there only. Okay, first and second examples you have to solve, you have to find out the HCF. Like this way you have to make the factors. Okay, now the second question here, find the HCF and LCM. This we learn in previous practices also, but one examples I wrote here. Look here. Find the HCF and LCM. Okay, 17, 102 and 107. This is example number 3. Okay, so here students, I directly write the factors here. You also try to write the factors directly. Okay, if not, then make the factors of 17, 102 and 170. Okay, and from that you have to find the HCF and LCM. Okay, now the factors of 17 is 17 and 117 into 1. Okay, so 17 only. Then 102, 2 into 51. The 51's factors are 17 3s are 51. Okay, so the factors of 102 is 2 into 3 into 17. Now factors of 170. 2 is divisible to 170 because 0. You know the divisibility test. Here also 2, divisibility test of 2. So 2 into 85 is equal to 179. We have to find the factor of 85. 17 5s are 85. Okay, so final factors of 170 is equal to 2 into 5 into 17. Now we have to find the HCF, highest common factor. Now here 17, in 102 also we got 17. Okay, and in 170 also 17. So 17 is the highest common factor. Okay, so we got HCF now. Now LCM. LCM, I told you students, you have to write all the factors in the column and the last row. But here, how you have to choose from the 17? Okay, 17 3 times. So one time we have to choose. In here 102, 2, 3 and 17. Okay, so 17 we have to choose one time. Here in the 172 is there, 5 is there. Okay, so only one time you have to write the 2. So the factors are 2 into 3, and here 2 is common. So only one time we will take the 2. Then 5 and 17. 17 3 times, so only one time we have to take the 17. Okay. Now if we multiply there, then we got the number 510, and 510 is the LCM of the 17, 102 and 170. Okay, this way you have to solve. Otherwise, simple way, make the factors and then you solve. Okay, now the third question is find the LCM. Okay, find the LCM. Here we have to find the LCM. So we'll start from 2 now. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 and 0. 2 4s are 8, 0. 2 6 are 12, 0. Again 12, 20, 40, 60. All these divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 and 0 means 10 2s are 20, then 2 2s are 4, 0, 20 2s are 40, 2 3s are 6 and 0, 30 2s are 60. Okay, now 6, 10, 20, 30. All these numbers are divisible by 2 again. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Here 2 1s are 2 and 0 means 10 2s are 20. And here 15 2s are 30. 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. So here 15. Okay. Now here students 3, 5, 10 and 15. Okay. 3, 5, 10, 15. Here total 4 numbers are there. I told you at least the numbers that we have to choose 2 numbers that is divisible. Here if we take 2 then only 10 is divisible by 2. If we take 3 then 3 and 15. Okay. If we take 5 then 5, 10 and 15 are divisible. So better way you will take 5. This 3 is not divisible by 5, so just 3 as it is we have to write. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now here student 3 1 2 3. Now here we will take 3 here. 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 2 is not divisible, so as it is and 3. Okay. 3 sorry, here 3 1s are 3. So now 1 1 2. Again if you want to divide this 2 then also no problem. Okay. So we'll divide now by 2. One not divisible as it is, 2 1s are and so all we got now 1 1 1 1 1 here. Okay. So now LCM of this one. So we'll write here 2 multiplied by 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. Okay. So students here LCM, now we have to do the multiplication here. Then we will get the answer 240. Okay. So this 240 is the LCM of 24, 40, 80 and 120. So this way. Okay. You can stop here also. If you will not, then these columns all numbers and this one here. Here only 2 is there. Okay. You can divide or you can stop here also. 2 2 2, then what the remaining here 1 1 1 2. So this way also you can write. Okay. Understood? So now we will see the next example. This example is little bit different student. So I will read the example, that is example number 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. Means when we are divide this number means here smallest number means we have to find the LCM here. So if we find the LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, it gives a remainder of 5 every time. Okay. So it's a remainder. Now, so we have to find the smallest number. Okay. Now we'll see here. First we'll find out the LCM of this number. So factors of 8, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Factor of 9, 3 3s are 9. Factors of 10, 2 5s are 10. Factors of 15, 3 5s are 15. And factors of 20, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now we have to find the LCM of this. So LCM, we'll take the common numbers first here. 2 1 time, here 2 time and 3 time. So 1 2 3 time we take 2, then 3 here, and here. So 2 times 3 is 3 are here. So we'll take 3. And how many times 5 is there? Here 1, 2 and 3 here. So we'll take the 5 here. Okay. Now students, we'll see it gives the answer 360. This 5 also common here. See 2, 2, 2, then 3, 3. Okay, and then 5 is 3 times here, so we have to take the 1 time 5 here. So these are the factors. Then we got 360, that is LCM of the given numbers. Now this side remainder, the remainder is every time the remainder is 5. Okay, so require smallest number, we have to find the smallest number. So LCM we got, that is 360, and the remainder every time 5 means we have to add that remainder, okay, in the LCM. So 360 plus 5, so the required smallest number is 365. This is a little bit different example, that's why I explain here students. Okay, now we'll move to the next example. Students, this example we solved previously also. Still question number 5, reduce the fractions. Okay, there are 3 examples are given. Out of 3 I write 1. Okay, I want to convert into the lowest term. Okay, and look here students, always first here I choose this 437 upon 551. So we have to divide the biggest number by the smaller number. Okay, so now 437 551. So we know if double then 400, then it is goes to the 800 place. So ones are 437. If we minus, then we get 114. Now here students, last time some students asking me, sir, again they have here problem. I gave the rules, I gave the notes, in the notes also I mentioned. Now look here again, what you have to do here, the remainder. Okay, we got the here remainder, it means we subtract here, we got the remainder. Then the previous divisor is become dividend here. So you have to write the previous divisor here, that become dividend. Then now we have to divide 114 this remainder to this divisor, previous divisor. Okay, so 114 3s are 342. Okay, if we subtract here, then we get the remainder 95. Again 95 is the remainder, so we have to, here we choose the dividend, so the previous divisor that we have to write here. Okay, 114. Okay, then if we divide 95 to 114, 95 ones are 95, 114 minus 95, we got the remainder. Again 19 is the remainder. What we have to do, again the previous, what is the previous divisor? 95. So 95 we have to take here. Okay, so 95 become the dividend here. So 19 divided by 95, 19 5s are 95. Okay, so 95 minus 95, 0. So now we got the remainder 0. Then where is the HCF? Okay, so the last, when we got the remainder, so the last steps the divisor is our HCF. So HCF is 19. Now they ask here to the lowest term. Okay, so we got the HCF. So 437 is the numerator and denominator. We have to divide the HCF 19 to both numerator and denominator. Then we get the lowest term or the simplest form. Okay, simple, same. So 23 and 29. You can write this another way. 437 and 551 is equal to 19 multiplied by 23, 19 multiplied by 29. This way also you can write, or this way also you can write. So 23 upon 29 is the lowest term, or we can say is the simplest term. Now we will see the next example. Now in the sixth example, I'll read. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. Means your LCM and HCF of two numbers is given. If one of the number is 216, what is the other? One number is given, we have to find out the other one. Okay, now look here student, what we got, LCM is equal to 432 and HCF is 72, and the first number also they gave, that is 216. So the given things first we have to mention, then first number multiplied by second number is equal to LCM and HCF. See the rule, we some examples we solve. LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of the two numbers, is equal to the product of two numbers. This formula we have to apply here. Okay, the first number second number means two numbers. Okay, is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. So first number we got, that is 216. Second number that we have to find. So as it is, we have to write second number, and the LCM here 432 and the multiplied by 70, product of HCF, that is multiplied by 72. Now we have to find the second number. Therefore second number is equal to 432 multiplied by 72. This when we have to change, we have to go this side. So here multiplication's opposite division. So 216 is here divided. So this equation example you have to solve, student. So I give you here question mark. 432 multiplied by 72 divided by 216. Answer you have to find. Okay. Now little bit same example here, seventh. Okay, I'll read the example. Seventh example, the product of two-digit number is 765. Okay, and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? Here the product of two-digit number, that is given, product is given 765, HCF also given, we have to find the LCM. Okay, now given things, here HCF is equal to 3, that is given. Product of the given numbers, that is 765. Two numbers, product of two numbers, that is already given 765. Now here again we will use the same formula here. HCF multiplied by LCM or LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of the given number. HCF is equal to given, that is 3. We have to find the LCM. So 3 multiplied by LCM is equal to 765. Okay, so we have to find the LCM. Therefore LCM is equal to 765. This 3 is to the right hand side, when that is comes to left hand side. Sorry, that is left hand side, so this comes to right hand side. Then here multiply, when it comes to the right hand side it's divide. Okay, we have to change the sign. So 765 divided by 3, then you will get the LCM. Here also I gave the question mark, means this calculation you have to do, students. Okay, see the formula, product of two numbers is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. This formula we have to apply in this word problem 6 and 7. Okay, and then now 8th word problem. A trader has 3 bundles of string. One bundle is 392 meters, second is 308 meters, and third one is 490 meters long. What is the greatest length of the string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string? Okay, simple thing, students. 3 is given. What is the greatest length? Greatest word is there, means here you have to find the highest common factor, HCF. Okay, so you have to find the HCF of these 3 numbers, that is 392, 308 and 490. Okay, so make the columns, find out the this one HCF of this, to find through the factorization method. Okay, then you will get the HCF, and last you have to write what they asked there, what is the greatest length of the string. Okay, so therefore the required greatest length of the string is dash dash meter. Okay, at last you have to write the sentence. Okay, here you have to find the HCF of this 3 given number, and not write the example. This you can solve. Okay, now 9th example. This is also a little bit different here. So the 9th example, which 2 consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Okay, 2 consecutive even numbers, means for example 2 is even number, consecutive means after that immediately came. 2 and 4, okay, 6 and 8, 10 and 12. These are the consecutive even numbers. Okay, now here we have to find the two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180. So here LCM is given. With the help of this LCM we have to find the two consecutive even number. Okay, let's see. LCM of the two consecutive even number that is given 180, but HCF of two consecutive even number, that is 2, because two consecutive even number is starts from 2, so 2. Therefore product of the given number is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. Same formula we used in the previous example also. Product of the given number is equal to HCF and LCM. Okay, so HCF we know now that is 2 multiplied by the LCM 180. So 18 2s are 36 and this 0, so 360 we got here. Now what we have to do, we have to find the consecutive even number with the help of this 360. Now see, now to find the two consecutive even numbers we have to factorize 360. So we have to find out the factor of 360. So the factors of 360 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now here student, we have to find out the two consecutive number with the help of this factor. Okay, so if we take 2 3 3, okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, then 2 2 5, 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So here we got 18 and here we got 20. Okay, so 18 and 20 is two consecutive 18, and after that even number, consecutive even number is 20. Okay, so this way we have to know the 9. Finally you have to write, therefore the two consecutive even number is 18 and 20. Okay, this is one method, and one method also there, the we have to take the variables, let x be the number, like that we also will solve, but this is the simplest one. Okay, so the last you have to write, therefore the two consecutive even numbers is 18 and 20. Here students, only I make a change here. We have to, here all the factors are there, but we have to take the factors, we have to make the two groups of the factors that should be the even numbers, but that should be consecutive even numbers, means one after another, like immediately. Okay, so 18 and 20, so I choose these factors here. 2 I take, then 3 and 3. Okay, I make a pair here, and then remaining 2 2 and 5. Okay, so with the help of this we got 18 and 20 are the two consecutive even number. Okay, now students, what you have to do, solve all the examples I mentioned. Okay, and complete this chapter up to the last practice set 14. Okay, now in the next video we will see the new chapter, that is angles and pairs of angles. Till there students, take care, bye bye.